We are just moments away from Meteor Makers and H2K. He's got him with the Glacial Fissure. Kasing is the focus, but nobody's down yet. Absolute Zero being channeled on North throws H2K. H2K win the game and crush Meteor Makers' playoff dreams. Flashing away from the charm, Youngback is trying to get in range. The Slicing Maelstrom does get a few, but is exhausted, the damage is mitigated. SK Gaming convincingly defeat the Copenhagen Wolves.
I headed,
You guys can't hear me or I'm too loud?
we can. I said yes. What? I just hear kiss.
Vortex. Sage running around. The flankers are flanked. Oh! Goodbye, Rydal. Goodbye, Frederick. Rocket are gonna add another win. They're on to the Nexus. Fnatic look like they're sudden at 33 minutes. Fnatic are taking down the Unicorns of Love. No! A few more hits. What? I cannot! Capavi will turn around. Can he get it from Steelback? He can't find Fnatic. Steelback is looking for Power of Evil. Unicorns have done it!